In this episode we explore the island, but with a bit of rain. We're gonna explore some caves. And I was drinking myself knockout with some locals. Bad plan. I'm drunk as fuck! Yes guys, I am still alive. I was not uploading for a while because I was doing already another trip. And traveling and editing videos at the same time is just not doable. Good morning Vietnam! But okay, let's start this one with a sad rainy morning. When it rains pretty good. That's a lot of rain. That's a lot of rain. Homestay has an omelette with bread. This is the first one we saw. It's very good. So hello, here we are again. The rain is gone. It's back to heat again.
Hello. Today
we're gonna explore some caves here. There are a few caves. Tomorrow we're going with a boat trip, kayaking, but tomorrow there's a lot of rain, so I'm not sure how that will work out. But now we're gonna check out some caves. And the first cave should be 200 meters from here. That's not that far. Okay, let's head to cave number 1. But how does it work? Is it free? Must we pay? I don't know. Tell me. It's always nice when people don't speak any common language. But okay, we bought tickets and went on these long, weird steps. They are very large and high. Probably you won't see it in the video, but man, those are really a crime to climb. Jesus Christ. Hello! Completely out of breath, and yes, I really need to work on my condition. Plus, in the heat with the motor suit on also don't really help. The field hospital. Oh, there's a guy sitting. Hello, chef. It's the Vietcong.
This will be in 1963 and completed in 1965. For 2 years.
So, this was a field hospital for the Vietnamese army. Very interesting, but also very hard to understand what she was saying.
These are originals?
Yeah.
Yes, okay.
You can test if you throw them. So, what seems to be the problem, sir? Let's play some cards, friends. Mickey, they have the same beds as in our last hotel. So, after the tour and my dumb jokes, we had to walk down some very slippery stairs again. And of course promoting my channel a little bit here again with a sticker. I try to place them everywhere I go. So, if you come across one, let me know, take a picture and send it to my DM on Instagram. That will be fun. So we're now at a coffee the place near the cave. The cave was nice. But man, it's so hot with your motor suit. But my friend turned on the AC. Nice place, yeah. It's your place?
Yeah, my home.
Good. How old are you?
60. You have no
60.
wrinkles.
60. I'm 28.
Yeah.
And we... Oh, you were in the army?
Vietnam China War.
Oh, yes. Fighting against the Chinese. Well, it was a bit hard to understand, but it seems he fought in the Vietnamese War. Well, anyway, he had an amazing place, and in Vietnam the fruit drinks are always very good. And then we saw all the animals. Nice! But of course, they have them for food.
They give eggs? Eggs?
No, there are no, Mickey. Roosters don't lay eggs. And another shameless promotion of my channel. It is kind of fresh now, but that's because I'm soaking wet of sweat, and when you're riding, yeah, that's cold. But I don't mind. It's a nice variation to the hot, and it will only be for a minute or two. A lot of people here in soldier clothing. Yeah, but now we're going to the next cave. I'm gonna leave my jacket by my bike because, man, it is so incredible hot to walk those stairs. Woo! Anyway, enjoy the view, as always. Maybe later. Yeah, well, you guys may think, what is he complaining about? Well, my knee hurts a lot. It's 6 million degrees here, and I have no, how you say it, condition at all. Oh man, Jesus Christ. So let's speed it up a bit here. It probably all looks very easy to you, but in this heat, and I know it doesn't look very warm, but it was really warm and with a lot of moisture in the air. It is very exhausting to climb stairs like this. Anyway, we made it, so let me show you the cave so you won't have to. Yes, you can thank me with a like for this video. Oh yeah, and of course hit subscribe to catch all my adventures. You know, it's nice to see a different Dutch YouTuber for a change. Yes, I'm talking to all the Itchy Boots fans out there. Anyway, back to the cave. Freedom! Slippery when wet. Of course, a very slippery stairs down again. Drink. And then, in the middle of the jungle, we found this restaurant. It's cool, they have a restaurant hidden in the jungle. That's not really jungle, there's the road. You didn't tell me your food. No, you're not. Next, we were just riding around to see if we could find a hairdresser, because my hair really could use a cut. We found one, but in a minute. Let me first show you a bit more of Katba Island.
A little pistol, they have chips and honey. Good. I thought it was honey, but it's squid. Okay, it's good though. I'm going to do something tricky. I'm going to a hairdresser and they don't speak English. So, and I'm very fond of my hair, so I don't want it to be ruined.
There was a drunk guy who said he understands English and he could help with translate. But his sentences were even more weird than mine. What can I say? I'm Dutch. Anyway, she did a wonderful job. And yeah, well, she did it much better than they do it here. Later back in the homestay, there was a large group of Vietnamese tourists who run also a restaurant. And those guys drink hard. Like really, really, really hard. They gave me a shot like almost every minute, and I'm not joking here.
Oh, hi guys! So we're invited here on a barbecue with these guys. It looks amazing. There's a lot of booze, man. A lot of booze. You get drunk here within 2 minutes. But wow, this is so nice. This is shot number 300, I guess. I don't know. We have a boat to catch tomorrow in the morning.
I bought the guys a bottle of rum to say thanks, and also that one went down fast.
We got shots every minute and terrific food. This is so awesome, but Jesus Christ, I'm drunk. I'm so drunk.
This could go only one way, the wrong way.
I'm drunk as fuck. Jesus Christ, what a great night. But I'm drunk as fuck.
Okay, then the lights went out and a disaster happened. I threw up over the table and the homestay owner had to carry me to my room. I think I almost killed myself there. Anyway, this you'll see in the next episode. We explore some really nice beaches with the boat trip. Of course with a big hangover as you might figure. Plus I meet a celebrity there and we did a canoe trip. And spoiler alert, I suck in a canoe. So I see you all in the next episode. Ride safe.